Hello guys, and today we are back at my state. I haven't actually made any videos in months, like weeks, no actually probably years, cause I know that I had school. That pixelated car. When I put my camera close, looks like a pixelated car, but when I take it back, say go to this car, it's fine. But when I go back, then it's pixelated. How weird is that? So, as well as my other videos, I'm gonna be doing a nature video with leaves and more leaves, and let's say for a reason, sticks. Boomerang, hiya! Poor little sticky. Where's that birdie? As you know that was never covered with blue, and now it is covered in blue. So there's a lot of changes here. Remember there wasn't a fence there? Let me get a better shot of this. Remember there wasn't a fence there? Now there is. What is that, by the way? Little factory down here, and little BMW sign. I don't know. How could they make a thing? No, I meant, how could they make a little toy car what a little baby can drive, and it has a freaking BMW sign? So bye guys, I'm gonna end this video here. So make sure you subscribe, give a like, and do a comment. Say down, link in the description if you want to make any videos like this, cause this is my first nature video, but I've made another video. So bye guys.